welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. Today I'm going to do the reveal of my finished 56 Chevy Gasser. This is a REVELL kit. It's a 56 Delray. It's actually a really nice kit, especially if you want to build it just the way it comes, either stock or like a resto mod. I decided to make mine into a gasser, and it's got a lot of 3D printed parts on it, plus some other things that I've done. I did make this build look like a real car that I saw online, and I'll have a couple of pictures up to show you the real car. But I think it came out pretty good, and I'm real happy with it. And as you can see, here is my Tri-5 Gassers, 55, 56, 57. I'll tell you what, and I've got another 55 kit. Or actually, I've got a couple of them. I think there's a few more Gassers in my life here. I've always been a fan of the Gassers growing up in the 60s. And with that, I'm going to bring you down a little closer and show you the car. Let's see here. Should have turned that on while we were talking, huh? Something I did different on this car that I've never done on another car, I think I explained it in the paint video, was I masked off all the chrome that I wanted to do, and then I sprayed it with a stainless steel acrylic by Kaleido. And you could do it with I guess with chrome, or you can do it with silver, whatever you like to do. But I think it came out fantastic. And from now on, that's probably what it takes. A little bit of time to tape the body off, but it comes out really nice. You know, bare metal foil's nice. It looks nice when it's done. I'm not a big fan of it. Using a marker, you never get it right. And we'll show a little closer. This is my first time doing it, so I'm going to bring you over and we'll take a look. All right, here it is. Let's see here. You've already saw the 55 and the 57 Gassers. They're two of my favorite to begin with. And first off, I love the colors I picked. Let me take it off the turntable. Here's the undercarriage. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear. It's got ladder bars. They're all from MCV. Headers are from MCV. Engines from MCV. Wheels are from MCV, not the tires. The tires are actually rubber on this one. It's got a distributor that's wired. You can't see it. It's actually, this engine is slightly set back, and the distributor is back there. I put an aftermarket master cylinder on it, a couple lines on it, battery, an Excel coil. That's better. Probably can't even see the coil down in there. Didn't fit in there bad. Interior, it's got a skull on the shifter. It's a skull shifter. It's got a tack. That's by MCV. Steering wheel's by MCV. I guess Mike made a lot of money on this one for me. Roll bar I made in a separate video. Came out good. The real car is also chrome, so that's why it's like you see it. I'm happy with the paint. The interior got painted. Headers are painted in Fusion Firm. Just don't touch them for days. Same with the intake manifold, the tunnel rams Fusion Firm. The tires just came out of my stash. I didn't use them on something else. All right, let's show how good you can see the tag. It's a photo etch frame. The license plate came from I forget the gentleman's name on eBay. He makes license plates and dash panels. And then I covered it in resin. It came out really good. Not sure if you can really see it or not. Again, the undercarriage. Nothing fancy. Front ends by MCV. I chromed that because on a real car it is chrome. But I kind of mocked this from. All right. That is my 3 gassers. And I am going to put this back up on the tripod and we'll finish up. I hope you like them. 3 of my favorite builds. All right, we're going to finish up on this now. And I really appreciate you following along on this build. And I will put up some still shots at the end. But till next build, I got the engine in and the wheels in, tires in for the Pro Stock build that I'm going to do once I get the new body in. And 47 Chevy, I started sanding that, so that'll be updating soon. And until then, I'm going to say thank you for subscribing. I'm getting closer and closer to the 1,000 subscribers. And when that happens, like I said, I'm going to give a giveaway. And till then, peace, take care, happy modeling, and just be kind to everybody out there. Adios.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But Now we got some for both young and old mama. That's rock and roll. Oh, rock it now, yeah.